space, Scarlett. Give me space.
Well done.
Get her, Scarlett. Scarlett, crush it.
Up to you.
Let it go out, girls. Let it go out. Good. Pull the ball. Retreat line, girls.
New frontier at half. Poppy at half, buddy. Tua, stay at half. As soon as she touches the ball, you guys are running in. Stay young. Stay cheap. Go, go, go. Poppy, run. Good girl, Tiwa. Well done. Their ball. Be ready for it. You don't have to retreat, though.
Let's go. Scarlett, go for her. Run it in. Go right
Yeah, so
now.
Nyla, you're the press, right? So you're ready. Eliana, you're ready to cover. Jockey, don't lunge in at her. Yeah. Good girl, Tiwa. Stay with her. Stay with her. Here we go. Poppy, you gotta be higher, honey.
There we go. Go, Annie.
Good job, Nyla. Poppy up top. Poppy up top.
Go wide. Pick it up. Girls.
Hey, Tiwa, you're there. Take it.
Girls, wake
Nyla,
up.
up. It's our ball. Nyla, up. It's our ball. Poppy, you are a striker. You have to be behind their nets.
Go, Scarlett, go. Get in. Good, Anna. Annie.
Tiwa, you're too deep. Step up. You're a winger. Step up, Tiwa.
Go, go, Olivia. Run, girl. Very good. Go, Annie. Shoot it, Morgan. Scarlett, find space. Find space. Stop there, Rosie. One of you is always on the center line. Center line, right line. Show for her, Scarlett. Dribble in, Annie. Dribble in. Dribble in. Get it back. Get it back, girls. Come on, run back.
Yeah.
Press her. Good. Right away. Oh, wait. Three lines.
Back to half, girls. Come on, Poppy, half, please.
Scarlett, you keep it forward direction.
Right at half. As soon as she touches it, all three of you got to be sprinting in. PC too. In you go. In you go. Yeah, in you go.
Annie, down the line. Annie, down the line. Come on, girls, wake up. Good. Go wide, Olivia. Good. Now it's Olivia. Back to the goalie, girls.
Go, go, go. Full run. That's okay. That's your ball. Off her. Your ball, Olivia. Pointing that way. That's a blue ball.
Girls, come on, mark up.
Come on, let's run. Who's right back on this side? That's continuing. Tiwa, you're up. Poppy, way up. Way up. Further.
Follow her, girls. Mark. Olivia, look and face the play. And mark, girl. Olivia.
Who's our options? Who's moving? Remember, more than one touch.
Come on, girls. Leave her in front of you. Go.
I guess I say things.
Game, Hannah.
We're gonna sub out our 1 minute. We'll stand here.
Scarlett, press up in the middle. In the middle.
Go get the ball, Annie. And Amani and Maya, that goes to you too. I'll help Paul with subs, but you guys need to learn each other's names and learn how to use a big voice. Okay? Tiva, close to her.
Fine.
Touch it, but win it back for me. Good girl. Drive to net, drive to net.
Step in.
Hey, Tiwa, if we had used our left foot there, Tiwa, try your left foot from the left side, okay?
Let's do James. Make up.
What's your question? You didn't score anything, right? Good shot. No, you stay. You can go first side. When I have an opportunity, I'll send you guys.
Rosie, remember, pressure then through the wire.
Your ball, Megan. Your ball, Megan.
Girls, can we mark up?
Yeah, Tiwa, remember, change your speed, change your direction to get away from her. Good girl.
Good step. Got to dribble in.
How many touches do you have to do from a reach to goal side? One and then pass, right? You can't jump fast, go to that. You use 2 touches. Right? Yes. You can dribble, you have to just do that. Because the league wants you guys to learn how to dribble. You guys have to practice. Just pass all the time. Get on to the next way. Poppy, sub! Run! Oh, I have to ask for subs? I'm sorry, I apologize. I will do. Poppy, get off the. Sorry, Rosie.
Come on, presser! Go, Ella, go! Go, Ella! Take it, Ella! Go with her, girls! Very good. Cycle.
Okay.
Good. Forward motion! Go, Ella. Go. Get it back. Step on. Step in. You're good. You're great. Dribble in. Once you dribble in, look at Diana. Great. Diana. Now. There. Diana, forward motion. There it is. Go, Ella.
Outside.
Keep it in, Ella.
Megan, watch it.
Better.
Watch that space.
Hey, Raylan, good job. Good job. Retreat line. Charlotte. Diana. Ella are going to high press. High presser, Ella.
Y'all ready? You got it out.
Good job, McKenna.
All right, other referee, I'd like a sub when you have a chance, please.
Press, Charlotte.
Good idea, Megan. Good idea.
You dribble in. Girls, go wide, Ella. Rosie, cycle it. You're McKenna. Cycle it.
Find your player in orange, Poppy. You
Go,
should be.
girls, you have to dribble in. Go, Ella.
Charlie, you might have to come out. Come out, Charlie. Be brave.
Hey, Rosie, that started you cycling. Thank you. Good job. Ella.
Casey, Poppy.
Drop in.
Nelly, you're going to see my back door since I'm your side closest.
Yep, press her, Ella. Good girl. Go, Charlotte.
Push up.
There we go.
Tiwa.
Here we go, Ella. Can you get control, Ella? Good girl. Charlotte, we pass. That's you, Liana. Get it back. Very good, Liana.
Find your player in orange. Your ball, Lauren.
Your ball. Quicker! Quicker! Quicker, Liana! Quicker! You guys, listen up. You must dribble in. Okay? Dribble? Yes. Go for it, Ella. Go for it, Ella. Go for it, Ella. Referee, substitution. Subs, ref. Make yourself dribble. Great, you're shaded. Charlotte, Charlotte, let's go. Charlotte. Charlotte. Here's yours.
Yes, Annie. What happened here, girl?
Go for it, Mark. Go for it, Mark, and shoot it.
Get wide, Olivia.
Like those beneath you, Scarlett. Yes, girl. Take the space. Good. Keep it in, Olivia. Keep it in.
Good girl.
Get him back.
T1, good. T1.
Careful. Careful. Let's go.
Come on, Elliot.
Let's go.
Olivia.
Olivia, that's the second time. Come on, Scarlett. Come on, Scarlett. Press high.
One of you, come on, baby. Be brave.
Press, Scarlett. Press, Annie.
Come on, Annie. You rest up.
Olivia. Hey, they're holding on way too long. Just release it quick. Quick, quick, quick. Okay?
How's the young man? T1, subs. Yeah, can you go for that?
Hey, 3 high press immediately. And step forward. Step forward. All the way to the white line. Yellow line. Got it, girl. Press. 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 Scarlett, press up higher. Higher. Scarlett, you got your D for that. Yeah, that's a corner. Olivia. Scarlett, show for Olivia. Scarlett, no. Closer to her. Hannah, you need to get close to her. Close to her. Ray, you too. Ray. Raylin. Go. There. Scarlett, Olivia. It's a corner, ref. She doesn't. Referee. It's a corner. She doesn't have to dribble, right? She does or she doesn't?
She does not have to.
Why does she keep going the whistle?
She wants to get touched.
Oh, she's touching it in? Okay, thank you. Olivia, no touch. You have to pass it in. Let's go. Show Scarlett. Show. Retreat line. Okay, Olivia, stand on the white. Scarlett, I want you in on the press too, Scarlett. I want you in on the press. Press! Press!
Good girl, Megan.
Press her! Scarlett, Olivia, take 10. Come on, Scar.
Touch it, guys. You're touching.
Ray, you just did contact. You're just a little high, right? You're doing a great job. High press. High press. Hey, Scarlett, half press, which means I only want you to press to that white on the other side, okay? Presser! Presser!
Yeah, here we go.
Stay on her, Scarlett. Good job, Morgan.
Round for Maya, not through.
Play forward. Wait. Is it out?
Yeah.
I thought it was out, but that's okay. Sorry, guys. Pressure, Scarlett. Pressure, Scarlett. Stop side. Stop side.
Give me the money.
Very good. No retreat. Pass it, pass. Pass it, break. Pass it, break. Break, turn. Forward way. Down the line. Better. Pressure now. What are you waiting for? Pressure, pressure, break.
Sorry, Jessica.
Other side. Other side. Anna, too much dribbling again.
And
Scarlett.
you can't really play.
Yes, Scarlett. Scarlett. Girls, down the field. Scarlett. Jump it. High.
On your toes, guys. I see a lot of heels in the ground.
Get back hard, girls.
Maya, drop back, bud.
Anna, get over. Very good.
Okay, Smiley, your ball. Let's go, honey. Let's go. From the line. Come on, E. Higher. Higher. Give her a long option.
Mark out, Scarlett. On her. Scarlett, no, you, Scarlett. You. Scarlett, you.
Can you make a run for her? Yeah, go. Go that way.
Go for it now. McKenna. Swap with Hannah. Swap with Hannah, please. I want you on the D side. Hey, Hannah, your center. Center mid. Hey,
Negative, Maya. Let me go closer to the
Don't
ball.
stay, Charlotte. Charlotte, pay attention, please.
Poppy and Casey, be ready to receive
Charlotte,
the ball.
Charlotte.
Their defense
Charlotte,
right
down
at
on the line. No, press. Ella, dribble in, don't wait.
Poppy, can you
Ella,
get in her
dribble
way?
in, don't wait.
Poppy,
We're giving
can
you the
get in
space.
her way for me?
Yeah, there you
Get
go.
her.
Better. The corner. Ella. In this case, Hannah. Now you tuck in here. No, you tuck in on her. Right on there. Both of you tighten up. Tighten up. Move forward a bunch. Great, Hannah. Get closer to her. Go for it now, Hannah. Shoot it. Play. That's not a foul. That's safe. We're good. It's not a foul. Hannah, don't shoot it at her. Now run back. Run back. Run back. Right, Hannah, in the middle. back to Scarlett. Hey, Scarlett. Through the space. Through the space, Olivia.
Follow day 1-3 lost mine.
Don't switch it. Yes, better.
Just crush everybody.
Press for Scarlett. Press for Scarlett.
Tuck in, Rosie, tuck in.
Very good, Anna. Keep it up. Keep it up. Annie. Down the.
Who's high?
Wait! Wait!
Ready, Olivia, on the line.
Olivia, go! 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 Come on, Annie. Come on, Morgan.
Good ball, Rosie. Rosie, be careful if anyone's coming down the center. You have to tuck in. Can't see on your side. Like it's still
That age too. Where a lot of times.
Why are you standing there? Morgan, come on.
I was like, guys, get back. 26 to 22.
Cycle now, cycle on the side.
Get ready, Rosie. Hard play.
Morgan, you are the striker. Morgan, what are you doing? Come on, girl. Morgan, do not come past that. Sit on this side. Morgan, do not come past that.
Rosie, tuck in. Rosie.
See Morgan now. See Morgan.
Good job, Charlie. Lila's right.
Nyla, whole body in front of that, babe. Right?
More high press. More
Tina,
high press.
higher up. Megan, higher up. Stretch my field. Make it nice and long.
More high press. Go.
Good cover, guys. Press it up.
We move up, D. We move up. Okay? I'm going to let you go to this door. Okay?
More high press. Come on, Annie, you gotta run. More high press. More high press, Mark. Mark, Olivia.
Good idea, Liana. Well done. Up, Casey. Up, Casey.
Good job, Scarlett. Stay in front of her, Scarlett.
Megan.
Annie,
Higher,
I need you to
higher.
run. Come on, let's go.
It's our
Higher.
Remember,
Annie.
what way the ref is pointing.
No, Annie.
What way the ref is pointing is which direction.
Annie,
it's
stand.
going.
Annie, mark her. Mark her. Stay high, Morgan. Stay high. Press. Go, Scarlett. Use your skills.
Olivia. Get out of there, Olivia. Yes, Charles. Student, fight for it. Fight for it. Don't give up.
Good girl, Scarlett. Get it out.
Let's see. Ready, Olivia. Up this way. Now up this way. Another ball. Another ball. Get it, Joe. You're on ball. Get it. Tiwa, look at that big space that has your name all over it. Yeah, Liana, you're right about middle. Nothing gets past you. Olivia.
Olivia, go. Go. Go, Scarlett. With her.
Who's there?
Keep going.
Go all the way.
You got it, Charlie. You got it. You got it.
Here you go, Charlie.
Olivia, Morgan, good job. Girls, there's a tree line. Girls, we'll sub you on next whistle. Don't worry. Come on, Annie. I need another 30 seconds out of you.
Don't hide, dude.
We press to mark. Press. Press, Olivia. That's your press here. Press.
Yeah, guys, we gotta move to it.
Right out. Scarlett, cycle it. Cycle back. Scarlett, dribble. Scarlett, dribble. Up. Press her. Mark up, girls. Scarlett, you have to mark this one. Ella, this one's yours. Girls, mark up. Yeah. She's gonna dribble right in. Ella, get on her. Ella, get on her.
Sadie,
Good.
buddy, you're not defense. Poppy, you are defense. 3 round here is okay. Sadie, get up. You're hitting him, mommy. There's 4 of them between you. Okay, let's go, Maya.
Relax. Press. Get it out, Liana. Get it out of the danger zone. Go, Ella. Go. Go with her, girls. Ella, go for it.
Get.
Shoot now.
Move up, Char, move up.
Scarlett, are you tired, girls? Hey, McKenna. Scarlett, come here. You can over here. Four high press. You too, McKenna. Hey, Hannah, come forward. Yes, there we go, Charlotte. Come forward.
Go, Char, that's you.
Go. Come on, McKenna, cycle. Yes, Ella, get it back.
That's you, Sadie, go.
Keep it in, Hannah, keep it in. Out of bounds. Oh. Hey, can we mark in between us and the net? Come on. McKenna, you gotta pull. Charlotte, always high.
Girls, our ball.
Press her, Hannah. Press her. Cycle in. Press up. Get up.
That's you, Sadie.
Get up. Go for it. Go for it. Go for it.
Poppy,
There you
too.
go, Hannah.
Maya's there.
Go for it. McKenna, take the shot.
Poppy, can you find your
Get
player
back,
behind
McKenna.
you?
Can we cycle? Cycle.
Go, Maya, you got this.
Hey,
Good,
girls,
Sadie, be tough, be tough. Poppy, that's you, buddy. You gotta get a touch. Just get a touch. Grab subs here too, then, please. Tiwa, Eliana, Amani, and Maya. Run off the field, please.
She can stay.
Okay, guys, the ball is at Charlie.
Liana, right knee. High press.
Okay, Rosie,
Rosie, step forward.
Good eye, Nyla.
good turn, Casey.
Go, McKenna, go for it.
Be tough, Casey, be tough.
Cycle it back. Cycle it back. Cycle. Yes, one.
Come on, Megan. Come on, Megan.
Two.
Come on, Sam. You got it, buddy.
Very
Stay with her. Stay with her.
Very good.
Okay, can we find our player in orange? Nice and quick.
Go, Liana.
Sadie, find your player. Good girl. Nyla, push up a little. It's going to come on your side. It's right there. Poppy, don't go too
Go,
close.
pause. Liana, you have to dribble.
2 touches,
Hey, get ready for the cycle now. Here, Olivia. Here.
Rosie.
Hey.
Rosie.
Hey, use Rosie. Come on,
Touch,
McKenna.
Megan.
Come on, McKenna, go for it. Go for it.
Open up. Open up. Charlie, look wide. Nyla, on your feet. Okay, good ball, Charlie. Good idea.
Shoot it, Eddie. Shoot it.
Good stop.
Charlie, it's all good.
Charles, it's got to go through every other one of us before it ever gets to you, right? So, is it your fault? Is our defense really wide right now? Can you tell them to go closer together for us?
Go for it. Go for it.
Rosie! Rosie! Move!
Good job. Retreat line, girls. Retreat line. No, lots of running, girls. 4 high press. Get ready. 4 high press.
Ref, do you know what that was?
The ball was rolling.
Oh, okay.
4 high press. High 4 high press.
Good job, Megan.
Megan, stay higher, buddy. Megan, stay higher.
Yes. Yes. Switch the other side. Faster.
Come on, Megan, don't go down.
Again. Switch the other side.
Sadie, that's you. Go, Sadie, go, Sadie.
Yes.
Come on, Casey, get a touch, buddy. Too many of us in one spot, girls.
Here, look for Scarlett now, Liana. Play, play. Get out, Bert.
Yeah, ref, I'm gonna sub to 1, 2, and T1. Nyla, Casey, Megan. Oh, sorry, Sadie. Sorry, Sadie. Nyla, sorry, stay on. Nyla, stay on. Nyla, stay on. Nyla, stay on. Come on, Sadie, run.
Hey, girls, stop retreat line. Can we all move forward? Can we all move forward? Charlotte, move forward. Mark.
Hey, ref. Since we're down by 4, I can put on a different play. Okay? Do I have to play?
She comes over here, I was gonna.
Good job, T1.
Maya, can you get open?
Hey, Marco!